Alright, here's the drone video for a tract at Pine Ridge. We're parked on the easement road on the east side of the property. That's where the drone is as well, and we're looking west, looking directly over the property right now. It's a great mix of hardwood and pine trees. This is a really good photo or video because if you look at the darker trees, that's going to indicate the pine trees, and the lighter greens and the browns are going to be the hardwood trees generally. Because this video was taken going into the fall, so the deciduous trees, their leaves are turning color, but the pine trees remain that vibrant green, so it's easy to pick out which is which. And you can see there are definitely some big, beautiful pine trees on this property. So there's the truck you just saw parked on the easement road, which borders the whole east side. The property goes directly west back from the easement road for a little over 600 feet. The highest point is the east side, and then it slopes down gradually as you go west. Once you get to the west side, it slopes a little more, but nothing that we would call steep. I mean, just a very, very usable property. Okay, so looking westerly, we're going to do a flyover here. I have not yet seen this video. I've been on the property. I have not seen this video. That's showing the really good mixture of timber. We didn't see any signs of any recent logging out here, so you've definitely got some mature timber. Okay, we're flying mostly westerly. We're actually going a little bit northwest, so we may be slightly veering off of the property, but you're going to get to see the area. Off in the distance, you can see that meadow. That's not on the property, obviously, but the nearby meadows and pastures and farms are one of the reasons why the deer hunting at Pine Ridge is so phenomenal, as the deer... first of all, we're in southern Texas County, Missouri, which is always, Texas County is always in the top few counties for Missouri deer hunting year after year after year. Southern Texas County is, these properties are within just about 3 or 4 miles of the Mark Twain National Forest, which is about 100,000 acres of public land and home to tens of thousands of deer. So yeah, this particular area is already big for deer, and then you've got these heavily wooded tracts like this one that have large farms and pastures around them, so the deer graze and browse in the meadows and the pastures, and then for cover they come into the hardwood trees, and of course they eat the acorns from the oak trees. So you've kind of got it all covered as far as setting up your hunting camp or whatnot. Certainly is buildable, subject to the property covenants that you can see on the website. So now we're looking easterly. We're basically roughly over the west side of the property. We're looking easterly. And we're going to fly back toward the east and probably end up back at that easement road. Good access to this tract. It's a really good easement road, and it's only about a quarter mile off of the county road. So while we do always recommend a truck or an SUV for any gravel road, you can get to this property in a car. Only about an hour east of Springfield, Missouri, so you can fly into Springfield and you can be at your property in an hour and a half because the airport's on the west side of Springfield, actually. There's a good shot of the property. Gorgeous tract. Check out the website if you're not already there to check availability and to answer any questions you have, or you can certainly call us or email us. We would love to talk to you.